A quick guide to adding a secondary y-axis to a graph in Excel. Highlight the data you want to graph. Click the Insert tab. Click the graph icon. Click a graph style to select it. Double-click the line you want to graph on a second axis. The Format Data Series menu displays to the right. Click the Series Options icon. Click Secondary Axis. Right-click the chart. Click Change Chart Type. A new window will open. Click the checkbox Secondary Axis. Select the type of chart for each data series. Click OK.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.